Lithuania, a small European country that most people barely talk about. No huge hype, no massive immigration marketing. And yet, quietly, more and more foreign workers are entering this country every year. Why? Because while millions of people chase the same popular countries, some smart migrants are looking for places with lower competition, faster opportunities, and more realistic entry into Europe. But here's the reality. Lithuania is not a luxury Europe destination. This is not Switzerland. This is not Norway. And if you expect instant success just because you entered Europe, you may face disappointment very quickly. So the real question is, can Lithuania actually help you build a better future in 2026, or is it just another temporary work destination? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Lithuania work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people never talk about. Because for some people, this small country becomes the first real opportunity to enter Europe legally. Now, first, understand one important thing. Lithuania has been facing labor shortages in several sectors. Many local workers moved towards stronger Western European economies. And because of that, companies started hiring more foreign workers, especially in sectors like warehouses, logistics, transportation, factories, construction, manufacturing. And this created opportunities for international workers. Now, here's something very important most people misunderstand. Sometimes your first country is not supposed to be your dream country. Sometimes it is simply your starting point. And for many workers, Lithuania becomes exactly that. Now let's talk about salaries. This is where expectations become extremely important. Average salaries for many foreign workers may range around 900 to 2,000 euro per month, depending on overtime, experience, company, and accommodation support. Now, compared to Germany or Netherlands, these salaries may look low, but here's the part many people ignore. Living costs are also lower, and because of that, some workers still manage to save money, especially if housing support is included. But now comes the reality nobody talks about enough. Life in Europe is not automatically easy. Some jobs are physically exhausting. Long shifts can affect mental health. Cold weather becomes difficult for some people, and loneliness can hit hard when someone moves far away from family. This is the side agents rarely show on social media. And honestly, understanding this before moving is extremely important. Now, let's talk about living costs. Rent may cost around 250 to 700 euro. Food and utilities may cost around 250 to 500 euro. Transportation is relatively affordable in most cities. So overall, Lithuania is still considered one of the cheaper European countries. Now let's talk about the visa process. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually the process works like this. Employer provides contract, work permit process starts, visa approval occurs, then residence documents are issued after arrival. Now here's the dangerous part. Fake job offers. This is where many people lose money. Some workers pay large fees without verifying companies properly. Others arrive and realize salary is different, work conditions are different, or accommodation is much worse than promised. And unfortunately, this happens more often than people realize. That's why verification is everything. Now, here's another hidden truth. Some people use Lithuania strategically. They gain European work experience, legal stay history, international exposure, and savings. Then, later, they try moving towards stronger European economies. And this is why strategy matters more than hype, because migration is not about showing off country names. It is about creating opportunities step by step. Now let's talk about language. English works in limited environments. For long-term stability, basic Lithuanian language can become important, especially for workplace communication and daily life.
Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They think entering Europe automatically means becoming rich. That is simply not reality. Lithuania is not for luxury lifestyle, massive salaries, or instant success. Lithuania is more about practical opportunities, legal Europe entry, gaining experience, and building slowly. And honestly, for many people, that is enough to completely change their future. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for perfect opportunities, while others quietly take small opportunities and slowly build a better life. So, the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your long-term strategy. Lithuania is not a glamorous migration destination, but for the right person, it can become the first step towards a completely different future. And sometimes, that first step is the one that changes everything. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.